previous video about indexing. This is a example of slicing. There is a 6 elements from 50 to next 50, means from 0th index to 6th index. So we want certain part of elements for our new list, so we can check it. We want to from 1 column to 5. 1 is starting index, end index is 5. So from 70 is first index, from 5th index is 10th, but we consider up to 90. Yes, 70, 30, 20, 90. Okay, this is our new list. Means in the ranges format also we cannot consider the end amount, means end element of it. We consider before. Suppose okay, so we more discuss in our code editor. So let's go to our code editor. As we see in our previous example about how a list element to be slicing, now we're gonna see a string, how to slice a string. So understand, suppose I want to take a variable t called hello world and print it. You check the result here, hello world completely printed. Okay, suppose take another example. I write t square bracket 0 column 4, means starting index 0 end index 4. I mention this a particular character will be stored within that. Okay, from starting index 0 to 4. So starting index is h, right? From this 4 means 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Understand? So up to ELL will be printed, as you see in this result. It's ELL showing. Okay, we have to mention starting index and index. Okay, whatever the character showing through the index, means if I writing from 1 to 4, so that much character only display, but that not going up to final means not going up to 4, that will be print 1, 2, 3. So only 1, 2, 3 index will be printed. Okay, there are also some variation. If I write it t column square bracket starting index and nothing to given end index, and not given end index, so what will be the result showing? From 2 onwards, all the rest of the letters will be printed. See, you see the result here. Okay, similarly in the end index also, we store this result. You can check it. We write it column with 4. If I given end index, then from starting 0 to 1, 2, 3, that much letter or character will be printed here. You see the result. Okay, understand? Okay, what if I write suppose t square bracket, only I mention column, not given any starting index, not given any end index, what will be the result coming? Think about it. So what will become? It will become, means full string will be printed. You don't want from this much portion to this much. You don't want, you want complete string. So complete string will be showing here. Going further, little more concept about slicing, that if I write, suppose think about it, if I write t square bracket, a portion starting index, end index, and extending index, means if I write 2 6 colon 2, then what will be showing? From 2 to 5, whatever the strings present, that will be showing. But if I write extend with slicing 2, it means within that range only one letter will be skipped. You can check it. Okay, and we see the result here. Okay, suppose if I write same another, means suppose I write from 1 to 6, skip by 2 letter. What I will write? 1 to 6, 1 colon 6 colon 3. It means 2 letter will be skipped. You see in this result. Okay, understood? Okay, see another example here. What if I write this t 0 colon 6 colon minus 1, given here negative index? Sir, we mentioned a positive index, within that a negative index. What will be the result soon? Then nothing going to be showing anything. Means when we work with a positive index, we cannot take negative index. Understand? Let me show you an example with negative index. Suppose t square bracket minus 5 colon minus 1 2 if I mention, what will be the result coming? Pause it once and think about it. What will be the result coming? Think. What will be the result coming? See, as we see, from minus 5 to minus 1 means where the negative index started? From D. You see the D minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Okay, from minus 5 want minus 1. Minus 1 will be not printed. Up to minus 2 will be printed. Understand? If it is a extending slicing 2, it means one letter also skip. Okay, understand? Okay, let's move to the another concept. Means how to reverse a string. Means using that how to reverse a string, we need to understand here. Suppose if I want to write here double colon minus 1, it means what? It means that full string will be reversed, as you see in this result. As you see in this command line result, means complete A will be changed. Understand this logic, very important. If you programming, these logics help you more. So see another concept here. If I write t square bracket minus 1 colon minus 5 colon minus 1, what is this meaning? So its starting index is minus 1, end index is minus 5. This much letter will be printed, but in a reverse manner. Why? Because we are mentioning that minus 1. Okay,